They go by many names like Suck Up, Sycophant, Toady, Ass Kisser, Brown Noser, Yes Man, and my favorite, Lickspittle. Show them someone in charge and they spring into action with I agree. That was brilliant. Let me do that for you. Love your shoes. Annoying everyone else within earshot. While the ability to establish positive working relationships with your co-workers and boss can be a key advantage to your career, is it really necessary to suck up to people and lose your self-respect and dignity? Hi everyone, this is Venkatesh Sangsani, corporate trainer, career strategist and success coach. And today I'm going to share my thoughts on how to deal with brown noses at work. But before that, let's watch this video.
करियर में आगे बढ़ने के लिए मुझे चाटने की नहीं, सिर्फ स्पेशलाइजेशन की जरूरत है, जो मैं कर रहा हूँ अपग्रेड से।
Even Upgrad acknowledges brown-nosed culture that's so prevalent in every organization. I know a lot of you must have had a good laugh after watching this video. Anyway, let's get started. Brown nosing, for its deeply negative connotation, is a time-tested shortcut to success, relying on ingratiation and flattery instead of talent and hard work to curry favor with authority in the workplace, meaning supervisors, managers, bosses, and anyone else with the power to help or hurt. This behavior of co-workers is not fair, not to mention undignified. But the brown noser doesn't see it that way. On the contrary, they are admirably devoted to superiors, making it tricky to deal with the annoyance. Confronting the co-worker won't work, and complaining to the object of all the flattery can easily backfire, especially when your boss enjoys it. So, what to do then about the workplace suck up? Exclude and badmouth or seethe in silence? You don't have to do that. To deal with them, you have to know and understand what type of lickspittle you are dealing with. It can seem like all brown nosers are alike, but they are not. There are many types, and I've tried to capture a few in this video. Type 1 brown nosers are the ones who try to flatter everyone. This is the person who is so dramatically insecure in every way, and they think the only way people will like, support, or promote them is when they constantly flatter and agree with everyone. They flatter everybody, not just the boss. Sucking up is in their blood. It's more like it runs in their family. And like dogs, they would drool whenever they see anyone in power who could either help them or hurt them. Type 2, incompetent worker. These are brown nosers who uses obtuseness to hide the fact that they are incompetent at job. This is about self-preservation. Ingratiation is the tool they like to use to avoid people pointing out their sloppy or bad work. They are like, I may be incompetent at work, but I'm really good at sucking up. Type 3, talented suck-ups. They are the suck-ups driven by ambition. Likely competent, they use flattery as backup plan to push themselves up the ladder in case their good work fails to get noticed. Well, if your organization has the suck up culture, my advice is even if you are talented, you still might have to suck up to highlight your talent or hard work. Each type of suck up may or may not pose a risk to other employees depending on ethical makeup. If he or she puts down their peers in the process of building himself up, they pose a danger to the co-worker's reputation and perceived job performances. Malicious or not, there is one essential element of success that always suffers: morale. Now, let me give you my 2 cents on how to handle brown noses. Tip number 1: if the boss is not hand in gloves with the brown noser, then the flattery, the self promotion, and any bad mouthing are falling on deaf ears. They are not friends and you are not on the outs. In this case, it's wiser to trust that the boss will handle the brown noser. So leave it to the boss. Tip number 2: accept that some people will suck. They just love to suck up anything and everything, pun intended. Practice breathing exercises. Avoid the suck ups whenever possible. Socialize with similar minded colleagues when you need to vent. And accept that some people, well, they just love to suck. More serious, though, is the case of a suck up who knocks you down while building himself up. If you know this coworker is acting with malice, telling lies about you, or taking credit for your work, it might be time to talk to your immediate supervisor or the human resources department. Whatever you do and whichever type you're dealing with, proceed with caution and act with professionalism to achieve some relief. It's likely, however, the brown noser will continue to fawn over the boss's ideas and shoes. When that happens, just use breathing exercises. Thank you for watching this video. Signing off, your host and host, Venkatesh Sangsani. Take care.